Hello friends, on this video how you can set two apps for Instagram on OnePlus tab. You want to use two Instagram in one screen, so how you can set dual apps, okay? And friends, before we apply two apps in one screen, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, you have to move on setting if you want to use two apps in one screen, or you can say dual apps. Okay, so just tap on setting. Then after that, from here you have to scroll down. If you don't find the options, then here you can search apps, okay, or you can search app clone also. Suppose here I just tap on apps, then after that here you can see under the apps on the right side, here is the app cloner, okay. Create apps clone and run them at the same time, okay. So just tap on app cloner. And here is the Instagram. You want to use app clone for Instagram, dual apps for Instagram. So just tap on Instagram and here it says create app clone. Just click on this icon and here Instagram clone has been added on home screen. Let's check it. So here is the Instagram and here is the Instagram clone. So you can use two Instagram in one screen on OnePlus tab easily like this, okay, by just activating this icon. And if you want to remove this dual apps or app clone, you just click on this icon and it will be set off easily, okay. You can off and on just by just clicking on this icon, okay. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.